Ever feel like we're on the edge of something, I don't know, almost too big to grasp? Like something that could rewrite all the rules.
Yeah, I get that.
That's exactly how I feel about this quantum AI thing.
Mm.
You send over some pretty dense research on it, and I gotta say, it's mind-blowing stuff.
It's a really fascinating field, lots of potential.
It really is. So we're talking about basically like quantum computers having a baby with artificial intelligence. Am I getting that right?
Yeah, you got it. It's about the fusion of those two. Exactly. Incredible potential.
Okay, so for folks who haven't gone down the rabbit hole yet, we got to start with these quantum computers. They
Sure.
use qubits instead of regular bits, which honestly sounds like something straight out of Star Trek. What makes them so special, these qubits?
Well, think of it this way. Regular bits in your computer, they're like a light switch.
Mhm.
On or off, 1 or 0, right? Qubits, they're weirder. They're more like a dimmer switch.
A dimmer switch.
Yeah, they can be a 0, a 1, or both at the same time. It's called superposition. It's a quantum thing.
Hold on, hold on. They're both at the same time. How's that even possible?
It's about how the quantum world works. It doesn't follow the same rules as our everyday world. These qubits, they're not limited to just 2 states. They can be in multiple states simultaneously. It's like imagine being able to explore every path in a maze all at once.
Okay, that image helps a little. So instead of just crunching through possibilities one by one, they're doing it all at the same time.
Exactly. It's like they have this massive parallel processing power built in.
Whoa. No wonder everyone's getting so excited about this. But, I mean, where does the AI part come in?
Okay, so you've got these qubits, right? Super powered, able to handle huge amounts of data, way more than our regular computers. But they need direction. That's where AI comes in.
So the AI is like the brains of the operation.
Kind of. AI is great at recognizing patterns, learning from data. Quantum computing gives it the raw power to do that on a scale we've never seen before. It's like giving a master detective a magnifying glass that can see through walls.
That is a really good way to put it. So this research you sent over, it talks about some pretty big applications, like drug discovery, for example. What would that actually look like using quantum AI?
Imagine simulating complex molecules at the atomic level. Not just 1 or 2, but millions at the same time. You could test drug interactions, predict side effects, all in a fraction of the time it takes now.
So instead of years of lab work and clinical trials.
You could potentially develop new drugs and therapies much, much faster.
That would be amazing. What about something like finance? That's another area you highlighted.
Oh, yeah. Huge potential impact there. Imagine using quantum AI to analyze market trends with incredible precision.
No more losing your shirt in the stock market.
Well, maybe not that far, but you could make much more informed decisions, manage risk more effectively. It could change the game for investors.
Okay, but that still sounds like, I don't know, something for the big players. What about everyday people? How would this actually affect, someone like me?
Think about personalized financial planning. Quantum AI could factor in all sorts of variables, your income, expenses, risk tolerance, and create a plan tailored specifically for you.
So it's like having a personal financial advisor, but way smarter.
Exactly.
I can get behind that.
Yeah.
Now, one area that feels especially relevant right now is climate change.
Rightfully so. It's the biggest challenge facing humanity.
And how does quantum AI fit into that?
Climate models, the ones we use now, they're complex, but they're limited. Quantum AI could handle vastly more data, creating much more accurate and detailed models.
So we'd have a better understanding of what's actually happening to our planet.
Exactly. And with that knowledge, we could develop much more effective strategies to fight climate change. Maybe even reverse some of the damage we've already done.
That almost feels like, I don't know, too good to be true.
Well, there are challenges. I mean, this is powerful technology. We have to be careful with it.
You're talking about the ethical implications we hear so much about?
Absolutely. We need to make sure quantum AI is used responsibly. We need safeguards in place to prevent misuse, protect privacy.
Right, because this isn't just about, making things faster, more efficient. This is about, fundamentally changing what's possible.
It really is. And with that kind of power comes a huge responsibility to use it wisely.
Absolutely. It's a lot to grapple with.
It is, but it's an incredibly exciting time to be working in this field. I mean, think about it. We're just scratching the surface of what quantum AI can do.
It's wild to think about. So, listener, I want to hear from you. What aspect of this whole quantum AI thing has you, I don't know, excited, maybe a little scared? What do you think the future holds? Hit us up on social media. Let's keep this conversation going. Because frankly, this is something that's going to touch all our lives. It's just a matter of time.